Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying versions and eliminating easy causes. Open Chrome, go to Help About to check the version. Make sure your PC OS is up to date. Once done, restart Chrome and the computer to clear transient errors, then disable extensions to isolate extension conflicts. Make sure your network is stable and test in incognito mode to bypass cached data. These initial steps narrow the problem fast, so you avoid wasted work on unrelated settings. Next, focus on corrupted data or profiles. Clear cache and cookies from settings privacy, selecting all time to remove stale resources. This often fixes loading issues. If problems persist, reset Chrome settings or create a new user profile because profile corruption breaks extensions and sync. On Windows, run System File Checker and DISM to repair OS components that Chrome depends on. If core binaries still misbehave, uninstall Chrome completely. Delete leftover user data, then reinstall the latest stable build to ensure clean binaries. To finish, re-enable extensions one at a time and test sites after each change so you can identify the offender. Make sure your firewall, antivirus, or proxy and VPN settings are not blocking Chrome's processes or network access. If problems continue, examine Chrome, //crashes and the browser log files to get error details. These help when contacting support. As a key troubleshooting tip, create a portable browser profile or use another browser temporarily while you compare logs and reproduce the issue to gather evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.